Welcome back to Walnut Springs. The bees are out and everything is greening up, and I'm ready to build something new. I had somebody ask me in the comments, why do you always build your obstacles on the side of the trail? Simple answer is, my family likes to use the trails and it's not just used for mountain biking. This obstacle that I'm going to build today can be used for more than mountain biking, and I call it Box Jump and Ride. Let's get building. To start off, I need to dig 8 holes. These holes will be about 2 feet apart in either direction, and they'll be about a foot deep. Then, I'm going to need to cut those 8 poles. 4 of them will be about 4 feet long, 2 of them will be about 3 feet, and the other 2 will be about 2 feet. Now I'm going to apply some temporary bracing so I can get these poles exactly straight up and down and in their right alignment. Now I just need to check to make sure that each one of these poles are 2 feet apart. Then I'm ready to start setting the poles. Just fill in the holes with some dirt and pack it down good. That should be good enough. This project has a unique twist. I'm using some repurposed wood. This wood came off of a pergola that my friend had. He took it down and put up some new fresh wood. This was just all stained and old, but I took a sander, sanded it down, and it looks good as new. Now, I'm ready to cut the rest of the frame for the box jump and ride. Let's get this going. Alright, now that we got the frame built, I can take all the bracing off. And we're ready to do the part I'm excited about, the ramp. The ride part of box jump and ride. I have never seen anything like this made before, so I had no idea what angle to actually do this at. I was just playing it by ear. Thought, you know what, this looks like a good rideable angle that I could do with a decent amount of speed, but it's still going to give a little bit of a challenge. So, I gave it a shot, and we'll see if it works. I decided to add some cross bracing just like I did with my gap up ladder bridge. Now, I don't really know that this is doing anything structurally, but I really like the way it looks. That natural wood look on the X's makes it just kind of a little bit cooler. I had to strategically think about how I was going to place these planks. I really didn't want to have to go to the store and buy any wood, as I was repurposing wood, and the whole point of this project was to try to build something out of what I already had. I had to space these just right so you felt safe jumping and riding up on it. I think I did pretty good, as I used every single board I had, down to the last inch. Now a little cleanup, and I'll be ready to ride. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Box Jump and Ride, the most epic feature at Walnut Springs. Is it rideable? Is it jumpable? Let's find out. Yep, it is. Just barely. That first one, woo, that was sketchy. That was a little more nerve-wracking than what I thought it was going to be. But the trick is just speed to get up the ramp, enough to get you over the first hump, get back on the back of your seat, and you're good. Let's keep trying it. Now that I got the riding down, let's see if I can jump these things. Yep, got that one. Nice. Got those two. Now how about for the big one? Not gonna lie, it's not looking like it's gonna happen. Not today. Woo, that's too scary. But I can work up to it. That's what's good about this. Now I can work up to that height. No challenge, little bit of a challenge to something I can't do yet. So I just need to make a goal to be able to box jump that. I'm really stoked with how Box Jump and Ride turned out. My family loves it, I love it. It's a blast to ride and do workouts on. Wanted to let you all know that I opened up a Patreon page. So if you want to support my videos and help me make more, just jump on over to patreon.com/RunBikeMike. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.